Have you or a loved one been struggling with COPD or chronic lung problems? What if I told you there's a way to rebuild your lungs naturally without relying solely on medications? Hi, I'm Alan Warnitz, and for over 2 decades I've been helping people find natural solutions to their health problems. One of the most common challenges I've seen is COPD, a condition that affects your lungs and breathing, making everyday tasks difficult. But I've found that by addressing the root causes and giving your body the right nutrients, you can start to rebuild your lungs and reverse the effects of COPD. Today I'm going to share exactly how you can do that. COPD, or chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, restricts airflow and causes breathing problems. It's typically caused by smoking or long-term exposure to harmful pollutants. What makes COPD particularly difficult is that it's considered progressive. It gets worse over time. But the truth is, with the right approach, you don't have to accept a future of worsening symptoms or dependence on medication. There is hope for rebuilding your lungs. The key to reversing COPD naturally lies in giving your lungs what they need to heal. I want to share 5 essential steps with you today that I've seen work wonders for myself. The key to reversing COPD naturally lies in giving your lungs what they need to heal. I want to share 5 essential steps with you today that I've seen work wonders for myself and others. First, it's all about nutrition. Your lungs need specific nutrients to repair damage and function optimally. One of the most important nutrients is vitamin C, with vitamin B5 and omega-3 fatty acids, which helps reduce inflammation in the airwaves. Omega-3 fatty acids from sources like fish oil also play a crucial role in reducing lung inflammation. This combination with a good B complex helps with loosening sticky phlegm and making it easier to cough phlegm out to clear your airways. This also helps balance the moisture levels in your lungs, which can also reduce irritation, especially in colder climates. Second, focus on breathing exercises. Deep breathing techniques help expand your lung capacity, allowing more oxygen to flow through your system. Exercises like diaphragmatic breathing and pursed up lip breathing can make a significant difference. Third, you need to reduce stress. Stress depletes your body of essential nutrients like vitamin B5 and vitamin C, both of which are crucial for lung health. By reducing stress, whether through relaxation techniques or mindfulness practices, you can improve your lung function. If you can't reduce stress, then supplement with extra vitamin C, B5 and omega-3. Fourth, detoxing your lungs is key. By using natural detoxifiers like ginger, turmeric and garlic, you help your body clear out harmful toxins that have built up over time. These natural remedies have anti-inflammatory properties that protect your lungs. Finally, use Lifewave X39 to activate your dormant stem cells and your lung fibroblasts, the cells inside the lungs that manufacture new lung tissues. Lifewave X39 helps to elevate an essential peptide, the copper peptide, and that sends a signal to restart your fibroblasts to clear up any debris and scar tissue inside your lungs. And with the activated stem cells now available, the lung cells can be regenerated to rebuild any damaged parts in your lungs. By combining these 5 steps, you can start to naturally rebuild your lungs, reverse the damage caused by COPD, and take control of your breathing again. I've seen this approach work for many people, allowing them to breathe easier, have more energy, and live a fuller life without being tied to medications. To summarize, rebuilding your lungs naturally starts with giving them the right nutrients, practicing deep breathing, balancing moisture levels, reducing stress, detoxifying your system, and adding Lifewave X39 for new cell and tissue regeneration. Each of these steps works together to help your lungs heal and regain their strength. If you're ready to take the next step and learn more about how to reverse COPD naturally, I invite you to book a free health and wellness consultation with me. Click the link in the description to schedule your session, and let's get started on rebuilding your lung health today.